How to draw a line in Google Docs, or how can add the line for signature, or you can say how you can add your horizontal line between the tags in Google Docs. So in this video today I'm going to show you. So let's start with the video. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me open Google Docs. Okay, so here I am. This is my sample content here. So if I insert the horizontal line between these two paragraph, then I need to just keep my cursor between this paragraph here. We need to go in insert, and now we need to go in that option. It's called horizontal line. Just click on it, then you can see horizontal line has been created. You can adjust your spacing like this. Okay, when you change your margin, then horizontal line will be adjust like this. Okay, so now if you want to create line for signature, then keep the cursor here. We need to go in drawing. Now go to the insert, go to the drawing. Under the drawing, go to that line, just draw the line like this. Okay, just we need one line here, and just go to the save and close. Then the line has been created for signature. Okay, so guys, hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.